Hi, this is God's Good Able. I hope that you're having a great week and that God has been blessing you. And I wanted to bring a really cute quote that I read. And it says, God can live anywhere in the universe, but He chose your heart. Face it, friend, He's crazy about you. So that means God can choose to be anywhere at one time, but He's chosen your heart, and He wants your heart, so He can bless you and give you the blessings that He wants you to have for the rest of your life. So, if you're looking for love in all the wrong places, like that song says, looking for love in all the wrong places, looking for love in too many faces, don't look for it in anyone's face anymore. Look for it in God's eyes. Because remember, He could live anywhere in the universe, but He chose your heart because He loves you and He wants to do great things in your life. So don't give up, ever. No matter what happens in life, keep going and trust God and do His will. From God's Good Able. Thank you.